Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to repair a book I made when I first started bookbinding. As you can see, it's seen better days and it's starting to fall apart. To start, we'll need a seam ripper. This handy tool is often used in the fabric industry to cut threads. Simply glide it through the stitches to remove them carefully from the pages. You could also use a small pair of scissors for this step. While traditional bookbinders use nylon thread because of its durability, today I'm opting for a non-nylon thread. I waxed it myself by running a candle over it several times, giving the book a nice glossy finish. We'll be using Coptic stitches to bind the signatures. Place the first signature on the cover page. Insert the needle from the inside out. For beginners, holding the book cover this way makes it much easier. Pass the needle through the cover and back into the signature. Move to the next hole and repeat these steps. Once you reach the last hole, place the next signature on top. Insert the needle into the first hole of this new signature. Pull it out through the second hole and loop it through the last stitch of the previous signature. Repeat this process until you've added all the signatures. If you run out of thread, don't worry. Just get it close to the needle and tie a new piece of thread to it with a double knot. To finish, you'll need to attach the last signature to the cover. This could be tricky. Align the signature with the cover first, run the needle through the cover, loop it through. Then through the last stitch and into the final signature. Finally, tie a secure knot and trim the excess thread. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun projects coming soon. See you guys in my next video.